Bwana sifiwe. Your Excellency, the Second Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua, and our Second Lady, Mama Dorcas, Mama Mchungaji na rafiki yetu Bishop, kanisa wa Bwana, Bwana asifiwe. Ageithie hiyo goko mutukenagia muno. Jetekeria twarie gikuyu fio twe mucie. Bishop JJ juga nitukwendete tuguthikagiriria nitukufuataga online na onatoa guka githomo guku waini no nginya tulishare mutandao tuone uria wirire andu aya ndona ithithi cia nyungona muri andu akenu na ngikora uguo niguo muhunjagirio mugatheka nimona muthuri angeni ngaruhi kiroko ngioka kanitha ngeinuka gukorwo ndiganirwo ngithe tigwa koguo guko andu matire na stress na Bishop juga ni thank you na tuhunjiria wega na ni wari uhoro wa femicide uhoro wa timia kuragwo na twana tukuragwo twatu iretu na thank you ni gukorwo champion wa mwana wa kairetu. Tuko na Her Excellency Pastor Dorcas ni mama wa boys. Sasa wewe mkishikana na mama ya boys maneno itakuwa mzuri. So mimi nashukuru. Nitamaliza kwa kusema tu kidogo ya kwamba mwito wa mtu ni mkuu kuliko ofisi yoyote ya kiserikali ama ya community ambao utapewa. You are not defined by the office you occupy in any constitutional office. You are defined by the inner strength, calling, and your energy to make the world a better place. When I say so, Pastor Dorcas, you've been doing good to Kenyans. Many widows have been encouraged by you. You've wiped their tears. You have rehabilitated many of the young men Bishop is talking about. We urge you continue doing it. Your namesake Dorcas of the Bible did not have any constitutional office, but she made a rema impact in the world. That is why she's anchored in the Bible. So keep doing good. And when that time comes in heaven, toka negotiate na Bishop. We ukaigwa hega kule nie. Na muthamaki wa bururi wetwa Rigathi wa Gachagua, tondu wega waku ni mwega. So Your Excellency, you've walked a journey. Kada ya rurire na jabaitu. We kire hinya tondu rurire rwito kuma haria twoimire nginya haria turi umuthi gotire kiega kiumaga hega. There is nothing good that will come if you're not ready to pay a price. You've paid a price for my generation. And Mzee Kibaki paid a price for some 10-20 years ago. Uhuru Kenyatta paid his price. I want to tell you, my brother, you are not alone. And when you see these people quiet, they are not quiet because they don't know what is happening in this country. Kana mutio nike kirathi na mbere. Tokireta tondu muthuri augire tokire totulie maru na toine kana tuhure rwimbo tarwa tukuurirwo haha ni ngaruia githe tigwa raugire. Na kwa hivyo watu wakituona tumenyamaza waache kushinda wakituambia hapa ati sisi ni watu waoga. We are not going to allow you to take us through that path of incitement and making ridicule of our community. We have invested in this country and over beyond. We are into the diaspora, every corner of the world. This community, we are seriously invested. Nobody is going to incite us against the other communities. And the people who are fighting our community, they are simply preferring us against the other Kenyans. And thank you, Kenyans. You are number one customers in business. You are number one customers on agriculture products. You are number one customers kwa kanisa. Na nyinyi ni makastoma hata kule kwa uwanjani ya burudani. So we urge you, our brothers and sisters, our customers, our associates, continue holding strong this community. Because if this community goes down, Kenya is likely also to go down economically. Have I made myself clear? Ate dauga ate community eno itu egiharaga ne thiethe ona economy ya Kenya negwe katia nego thiethe. Your Excellency girekia mwanake wetagwo kuruga wa jikoi no jaba itu ya rore tukimwona kuri mitandao turakimwona agithie TikTok araria arauga inywe thu ciakwa mutigathekerere mwanya na ndethe aragio uhoro waku tondu nenge katia ningokira mutigathekerere inywe thu ciakwa mwanya na ndethe tondu ihinda ria Ngai ria Kenya nenge katia ningokira. Mwanake ucio arauga atiriri mundu ungithekerera mugikuyu ni kugwa ri no mundu toi bururi uyu wega rora mucii gwaku na kuria wandikanite mawira ri uhete andu igana wira wa kuruta kuma mundu uria kuhurire gacati gaku bathi nginya uria watchman yaku nginya uria urarima mugunda gwaku nginya gatukaini gaku uhete andu aigana mawira matari andu riri no itu. Koguo ithu turi andu endi andu na andũ aitũ mũthi na mbere kũrutithania wĩra na community iria ingĩ na karũgano kau ga siasa marenda gũtũkũnja atĩ matuonithanie nĩ ithuĩ thũ cia Kenya. Merei, we are embracing everybody. The only thing we are not going to embrace is political deceit and conmanship. Thank you.